This is our full recipe of achari zucchini and we will start the process now. Hi guys, welcome to my channel at Indian Cooking in the UK, and today I'm going to make easy and budget friendly achari zucchini. So I've chopped them up finally. I've got onion and I've got garlic and ginger, and to make it achari I've got panchpur and masala, and then I've got regular masalas, coriander powder, salt, red chili and turmeric powder according to your taste. And now we'll start the oil is heating in the karai. Take the desired amount you like, and I'll add the panchpur and masala first, which goes in there. And now I'll add the onion. And now I'll add the garlic and ginger. And wait for it to go light brown. As you can see, the onions are brown now, and I'm going to add all the masalas in, and I'll put the gas on it slow so that the dry masalas don't burn. Have you ever cooked a zucchini before? That's the best type of zucchini. My mom taught me how to cook it. So just sharing with you. And now we will stir it. So that the zucchini is nicely coated. And we will not put any water. We will just add some cherry tomatoes that I'll put whole, so that they will cook, and I will cover the lid on the sim gas for 25 to 30 minutes and keep stirring in the middle. Guys, now you can see the zucchini is cooked, and I'll take these cherry tomatoes as I don't like them in, and I will obviously I've got the gas on the high. I will try the water, and then I will serve it with roti, naan, rice, your choice. And our zucchini subji is ready with roti and butter and healthy salad.
I will do the taste. Wow, that's amazing. You should got that achari taste to it as well. It's just amazing, very tasty. Thank you.